think the rule of law treat everyone the same now?
It never has, no.
No.
I don't think so.
People can make a change with just a little bit of inspiration.
I believe that if everyone takes steps, then one day this will happen.
Then it's on all of us to help make sure that promise is kept. It's not just a legal principle, it's a shared responsibility. And when that promise is upheld, it becomes one of the most powerful forces for good in any society. Though it may not be perfect now, there are always people working hard to defend it. If we believe in it and fight for it, everyone can help make it stronger. One case, one person, one action at a time.
Upholding the rule of law. Believe in justice, believe in change.
Three, two, one.
Here we go.
I may have to get back to teaching.
Here you go.